Happy Friday to my favorite people. Thank you for joining me for another wonderful activity. I know you get to see lots of videos of me today. So exciting. For this one, you are going to need your poetry journal from your brand new folder, folder number 9. That poetry journal, mine is like a peachy orangish color and it says poetry journal. And you'll know you're in the right one because when you open it, oops, slippery. When you open it up, it's going to be one of my most favorite foods, ice cream. All right. You're also going to need 3 different colored crayons. I prefer you use crayons. If you have to use markers, you have to use markers. And then you'll need something to color a picture with. So go ahead and pause the video and grab those things. But otherwise, I am going to change my camera so that you can see my poetry journal. There we go. This poem is all about ice cream, and it's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I'm sure you know that song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, you're going to get to hear me sing lots today. Okay, go ahead and grab your first color. My first color is going to be a green. And with your first color, I want you to find all the commas you possibly can. Go ahead and do that now. Now remember, commas kind of look like apostrophes, but they're at the bottom of a word. They go in the middle of sentences so that it can show a place to pause, kind of like a place where you'd take a breath. That's different than a period because with a period, it's a full stop, right? That's the end of the sentence. For this one, that's not the case. So let's go through, and if you haven't already, let's see how many commas we can find. Ice cream. There's one. Circle it. Ice cream in a dish. 2 big scoops is what I wish. Add some sprinkles, comma. Please don't stop. Fudge and cherries way on top. Ice cream. Oh, ice cream. Cold and sweet. Ice cream makes the perfect treat. So it looks like we found 3. Now be careful that you do not circle. Don't circle like the apostrophe and don't, because that's not a comma, right? That's an apostrophe. All right, time for color number 2. And if you need to pause, go right ahead and pause. No big deal. My next color is going to be, I think it's going to be blue. Blue. Now with blue, we're going to do something really important. With blue, in class, we've been practicing finding and reading words that have the rule when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Now, as a review, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, okay? So we're gonna go find those words. Ice, not 2 vowels go walking, but it is a sneaky E. Cream, look, there's 2. Circle, ice, cream, E-A. A is silent, you hear the E say its name. In a dish, 2 big oops. Yes, but it doesn't make that O sound, so we're gonna skip it. Is what I wish. Add some sprinkles, please. E-A. You just hear the E sound. Don't stop. Fudge and cherries, which technically I-E is 2 vowels, but this is part of I-E-S, so which is a little bit different. Way on top. Ice cream, E-A. Ice cream, cold and sweet, 2 E's. Ice cream makes the perfect treat. E-A again. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 words with the rule 2 vowels go walking. The first one does the talking. Wow, that's a lot. All right, time for your last color. Mine's going to be, you guessed it, pink, kind of almost a purple. I love this color. Very, very pretty. Our last job is going to be to find rhyming words. Now, when we find rhyming words, what we're going to do is I'm going to read the poem to you, but I'm going to read it in my normal, not a singing voice. And at home, I want you to yell out or raise your hand whenever you hear a rhyming word. And then I'm going to pause and I want you to yell it at me. And hopefully I find the same rhymes that you find. Ready? Ice cream. Ice cream in a dish. 2 big scoops is what I wish. How many of you are raising your hands? What words rhyme? Oh, that's right. Dish and wish. And then connect them. Okay, here we go. Add some sprinkles. Please don't stop. Fudge and cherries way on top. Yep, you're exactly right. There's another. Go ahead and put a square around it. Draw a line to connect them. Ice cream, cold and sweet. Ice cream makes the perfect treat. Ooh, you're right. Now, if you'll notice, first grade, this is really cool. Sweet has EE and treat has EA. And I think it's interesting that sweet and treat rhyme, even though they're not spelled the exact same, right? They don't have that same ending like op and top and stop, or ish and wish and dish, because they both follow that two vowels go walking rule. Very nicely done. When you're done with that, you can put your crayons or markers away, and then we're going to go through and read the poem. And I'm going to do my very best singing voice that I can to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Ready? Ice cream in a dish. 2 big scoops is what I wish. Add some sprinkles, please don't stop. Fudge and cherries way on top. Ice cream, cold and sweet. Ice cream makes the perfect treat. Ooh, who else wants some ice cream now? I really want some ice cream. Let's read it one more time and make sure you're pointing and reading along with me, because this is the fun part, right? Ice cream. Ice cream in a dish. 2 big scoops is what I wish. Add some sprinkles, please don't stop. Fudge and cherries way on top. Ice cream, cold and sweet. Ice cream makes the perfect treat. Bravo, Miss Wilhelm. That sounded amazing. I know that's what you're all thinking, right? I'm going to be a famous singer one day, I promise you. All right, first grade, your job from here on out is to read it 2 more times by yourself. That's right, 2 more times. Maybe you read it by yourself. Maybe you read it 2 times to your dog, 2 times to your cat, 2 times to your mom, 2 times to your dad. Grammies, grandpas, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, cousins, it all works. Whoever you can read it to. And then I want you in this spot right here to draw a picture of like your most favorite ice cream, like what you wish you got to eat every day for dessert. Is it an ice cream sundae? Is it chocolate? Is it vanilla? Is it strawberry? Is there bananas on it? Is there 2 flavors? Are there cherries? Do you like sprinkles? I have so many questions. And the next time that we do this, I'm going to ask you all to show me your ice cream pictures, because I really, really, really want to know what's your favorite way to eat ice cream. Now, I'll tell you a little secret about Miss Wilhelm. My favorite way to eat ice cream. So this right here is called a cone, a waffle cone. I like to have a waffle bowl. I like to eat my ice cream out of a bowl. And I like chocolate marshmallow ice cream. So it's got little globs of marshmallow inside chocolate ice cream. And then I like a little bit of brownie bits. Like it's like a brownie inside of my ice cream. It's the world's best dessert, I promise. Sometimes I'll add a little whipped cream. So maybe you want to draw whipped cream on top. I don't usually have a cherry. Sometimes I will do a banana if I'm feeling like it, but it's usually pretty impressive. And sometimes I might add some sprinkles. So I'm really curious if you could make any ice cream sundae, whatever way you wanted, what would it look like? So draw that here and make sure you really color it in, because I'm very curious. Other than that, I'm proud of you for finishing another afternoon job. Thank you so much for working hard. I know that today has probably been long because I'm not there, but know that I'm proud of you and know that I miss you, and I will see you very, very soon, okay? On Monday. See you later, alligators. Bye.